Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is TechKit. So guys, in this video we basically talk about the voice changer audio editor voice app. So guys, here first of all come here Google and search Play Store. In Play Store you search voice changer audio editor. So guys, this interface will be open. Worker B app contain ads and in-app purchase. Here is the 4.1 stars given to 8 and 1.77k reviews. Here is 100k plus downloads and rated for 3 plus. If you want to install, then click on the install. Here you can share it, and here is add it. So guys, first of all we discuss its feature. Convert text to audio, support multiple language. Here is the French. So audio center. Here is the voice changer. Change your voice into funny voice. So guys, notification ringtone sound. Set effort ringtone. Here you can also set your ringtone voice. So here is the about this app. Voice changer audio editor. Do you need to change your voice to sound like a baby and a person? Do you want to edit voice audio in various ways? One of the best application for editing audio is this one. The voice changer software includes a variety of effects that you may use to enhance your audio and make your new voice more. And here is you may not only trim MP3 but also edit your voice, which is very interesting. Now it is time for you to download voice changer app and try it out. So here is the voice changer audio editor app. Has the key features: record audio quickly, high quality audio recording, easily edit audio by adding effect, MP3 cutter for quick audio cutting, save and rename audio files to make them easier to find, set as ringtone or notification sound. Let's replace your normal voice with other funny voice to add them to your video or make a joke with your friends. So here is the audio editor. Voice changer app includes a variety of voice and audio effects with which you may customize your sound, such as baby, report, and most. This software equally simple to use. Simply launch it, record your voice, and here is the compatibility for your device actions. Active device. You need to log in to view the compatibility devices, how this app works on your device. This section shows you whatever this app work on your device. You will also only see devices that are linked to your Google account and that have been active in the last 30 days. So guys, here is the data safety. Safety starts with understanding how developers collect and share your data, and data privacy and security practice may vary based on your age, region, and so on. Here's all the more information the developer has provided about the kinds of data this app may collect and share, and security practice the app may follow, and data practice may vary based on your app versions, use, age, and region. So here is the data share. Data may be shared with other companies or organization, device or other IDs, device or other IDs. No data collected. And here is the security practice. Data is encrypted in transit. Your data is transferred over our secure connection. Data cannot be deleted. Developer does not provide a way for you to do request that your data will be deleted. So guys, this is the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then must subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. who want to use this app. Assalamu alaikum.